Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X20 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to pick this button, the second from the left, to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And now let's tap to the settings button to open the camera settings. At the second place we can see the picture size option, so let's pick it, and now we can change it between a few sizes. This is connected with the quality in megapixels and aspect ratio, so the camera properties. And by tapping on it, just simply we can change it to whatever we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.